how to transfer a playlist of Spotify to YouTube Music. Okay, how to do this? It's so easy. Okay, in YouTube Music, you go to here, go to the settings, and here we're going to the privacy and data. Okay, and you go to the import your playlist. You click. If you have you redirect in this page in the help of YouTube Music, you go to the here and you put this page. Okay, you go to this page, tune my music, and you go to the YouTube Music here. Okay, and here you put the paste the URL of the YouTube Music playlist here. Okay, you go to the YouTube Music. Okay, and you go to the new playlist. You put your new playlist and you paste the URL. Okay, and you paste the URL here and load you from URL and you transfer to the Spotify. Bye bye.